Welcome to Eric Blackmon Music. Hi, and welcome to my tutorial on how to play Gimme Some Lovin' by the Spencer Davis Group on electric bass guitar. The bass guitar is tuned E, A, D, G. This is a very easy song. We'll simply need to go to fret 3 on the E string and fret 5 on the D string for G notes. Back and forth like that. So we're doing an octave there. We're going to play the high G note 5 times, and then we're going to bounce to the low G like that. So it's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, then 1. One, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. We'll do that as long as the verses are going on. When we go to the chorus, we'll start at fret 3 on the E string and play that note 8 times. Then we'll go to fret 6. We'll go to the A string, fret 3, and then fret 6 on the A string. We played each note 8 times. Then we'll go back to our original groove. Now, since all the parts are repeated, that's all we have to learn in order to play Gimme Some Lovin' by the Spencer Davis Group on bass guitar. Thanks for stopping by, and have a great day.